Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most frequently asked questions about Bali. How much does it really cost to live here on a budget? Whether you are planning to stay for a few months or looking to settle down, this video will break down the cost of living in Bali and show you how to make the most of your money. So first up, let's talk about accommodation. Bali offers a wide range of options, but if you're on a budget, you're likely looking at local guest houses or renting a room in a shared villa. For a decent place, you can expect to pay between 200 to 400 a month. That's for something simple but comfortable, often with amenities like Wi-Fi and air conditioning included. This is Amigos Guest House, Bali. It has been recommended to me by a friend, and it's the one I have chosen to just stay for 1 month. What can I tell you about this guest house? It's kind of, the concept is like a guest house with many different rooms. It has like shared room facilities and private rooms as well. I like the way it's made. It's like a nice garden here downstairs, and very quiet atmosphere, not noisy, and different type of rooms. Let's go upstairs. So this is like the second floor. It has very nice views here as well. And my room is over there, it's the last one. And I really like the outdoors here. You can just chill in the morning, have a coffee, relax, read, or just enjoy the view. And this is my room. This is a very nice, simple, private room. It has everything what you need just to spend the night. There's a bathroom in there, very convenient big bathroom with shower. And this is small desk for your stuff. I got here some whey proteins, some snacks, water. But yeah, for me it's enough. I'm gonna stay here for 1 month, and I got a very good price, a special price for a month. So I recommend, if you come here and wanna stay longer, ask for a discount. If you want something more private or closer to the beach, you might spend up to $500. But if you're really looking to save, there are places for as low as $150 if you don't mind a more basic setup. Next, let's talk about food. One of the best things about Bali is the amazing local cuisine that won't break the bank. At a local warung, you can get a delicious meal for just $1 to $3. That's nasi goreng, mee goreng, or even a plate of fresh fruit. Oh, thank you very much. Looks very good. Thank you. If you prefer Western food or eating at a more touristy spots, prices can get up to $5 to $10 per meal. But if you cook at home, a weekly grocery shop can be as low as $20 to $30. The next is transportation. Getting around Bali is pretty affordable too. The most common way is by renting a scooter, which costs around 50 to 70 US dollar per month. Fuel is cheap, usually around $1 per liter. Or if you are not comfortable riding a scooter, there's always the option to using apps like Gojek or Grab, where a short ride might cost you $1 to $3. Entertainment. Of course, living in Bali isn't just about surviving, it's about enjoying what this beautiful island has to offer. From beach days, which are free, to joining a yoga class for $5 to $10, there are plenty of budget-friendly activities. Even a day trip to a nearby temple or waterfall can cost you less than $10, including transportation. For nightlife, a beer at the local bar will cost around $2 to $3, while cocktails might set you back from $5 to $7. But if you're smart with your budgeting, you can enjoy Bali to the fullest without overspending. Next point is other expenses. Finally, let's not forget about those different expenses, things like toiletries, phone data, and laundry. A basic data plan with calls and texts might cost around $10 to $15 per month. Laundry service can be found in almost everywhere, charging about $1 per kilogram.
Macchiato and two sandwich with the common pesto. Yeah, normal latte with no sugar. Anything else?
So there you have it. Living on a budget is totally doable and can be a rewarding experience. All in all, you can comfortably live on around $600 to $1,000 per month, depending on your lifestyle choices. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. See you in the next one.